Hello student, we are discussing class 11 Python. So in this lecture we will discuss what is programming language. So just we go through this chart. Your programming language is divided into two types, low level language and a high level language. And your low level language is further subdivided into two categories. So come to low level language. Your low level language is first of all divided into machine language. So what is machine language? So let us take a very simple example. Take any machine, it has only two commands, turn on and turn off. When you turn on any machine, it starts working, and when you turn off that machine, it stops working. That's why we represent turn on with 1 and turn off with 0. So this language has only two letters. That's why this language was also called binary language. So binary language. Binary language. So this language has three names: machine language, binary language, and first generation language. This language has many disadvantages as well. Like it is very difficult to learn because you have to write all the softwares in 0101 format, so it's very difficult to update your software. So to overcome these problems, they developed new language in which they started using some English words and numbers and some symbols, and that language was called your assembly language. So it was the second language. That's why it is called your second generation language. Second generation language. So machine language is your first generation language. So it was little easier than your machine language because in this language it started using some English words. Now come to high level language. In high level language, there is one third generation language in which they started using more and more English words, and it was very near to your third generation language. So this is called your third generation language. In this category we have a C, C++, Java and Python. That is in your syllabus. Third, fourth generation language. Come to fourth generation language. In fourth generation language, you don't have to worry about the coding, just you have to think what you want to do. In this category, we have like a SQL. It's called structured query language. That is also in your syllabus. So in this language, you developed database. So student, we have a brief look. We have a low level language. There are two types: machine language, assembly language, and next we have a high level language where we have a third generation language as well as fourth generation language. Thank you.